In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Asana. If you spend a lot of time managing tasks and projects in Asana, switching to dark mode can really help reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments, and it can also give your workspace a cleaner, more focused look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to turn on dark mode using Asana's built-in settings. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on any main page, like your home or My Tasks view. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small profile photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Asana keeps all of your personal preferences. Click on Settings to open the Settings window. A panel will appear, usually in the center of your screen, with several tabs across the top. In this settings window, find and select the tab called Display. The Display tab controls how Asana looks and feels, including themes and visual preferences. Click on Display to open the display options. Within the display section, look for the area labeled Theme. Here, you'll see the current theme that Asana is using for your account. By default, it's usually set to the standard light theme. Click on the current default theme setting so you can change it. This will reveal the different theme options available to you. Now, from the list of themes, choose Dark. Click on Dark and Asana will immediately apply the dark mode theme across your workspace. You should see the background shift to darker colors, with text and interface elements adjusting to remain readable and clear. Once dark mode is enabled, you can close the settings window. Your choice is saved automatically, so you don't need to hit any extra save button. If you ever want to switch back to the light theme, just repeat these steps, go back into the display settings, and select your preferred theme again. That's all it takes to enable dark mode in Asana. This small change can make long working sessions easier on your eyes and can help your tasks